everybody. TK Slots here. I switched machines. I got another train bonus. This is on a different one. We're going to start off with $10.60 in our train. My left button doesn't, my right button doesn't work, so I have to go to left button. All right, let's go. Yeah, we're opening up early. That's great. We want some feature and a feature here. Let's make this fun. Come on, off we go. Oh, come on now. Come on. Yeah, that's what we want. Oh, he's gonna open me up. That's great. Thank you very much. I'm betting 2 cents, $1.50. Got lots of room now. Yes, sir. Rise me up. All right, let's go. Come on, give me another one. Off we go. We need the golden key. Come on. Oh, don't do this. Gotta save it. Gotta let it marinate just a little bit. Come on. There we go. We're still going. Come on. That button doesn't work. This button over here. Yeah, let's go. We love it when it does that. Keep going. Woohoo! Keep going. The numbers are going up good. Thank you very much. Keep going. Woohoo! That was awesome. Yes, please spin again. We need a railroad crossing. No stopping. Let me do the last one. All right, we're gonna let it marinate. Just a few minutes, a few seconds. Save me. Off we go. Yes. And a feature. Oh, we got a train. This is gonna be great. Come on now. Come on. Bigger. Bigger. Switch lanes. Switch lanes. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Oh, that's all right. We're open up. We need one more railroad crossing to get to the gold train. Let's go. Come on now. We need a railroad crossing. Yeah, we got it. We're going to the gold train, baby. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. He's gonna give it to us. Oh, wow. Oh my. That's 250 plus we have 250 on the board, so that's $500. Let's keep going. Yeah. 2 cent, baby. Come on. We'll prize up. Thank you very much. Let's keep going. Off we go. Your turn, babe. It's all right. We'll take it. Woo! Train us. Yeah. another one. Again, another train. Make it a good train. Come on. Give us a mini. Change lanes, change lanes. Come on back. All right, all right. Your turn.
Try it.
Yeah. Oh. Train.
Railroad crossing.
Train us.
So you just have to hit the one.
Together. 1, 2, 3.
You hit yes,
Oh.
and then turn on the other one.
Okay, we're gonna let it marinate just a minute. Let's go.
Oh,
Bring us back, bring us back, bring us back, bring us back. Okay, we're gonna add it up. These are 2 centers. That's $400. That's $500, 2 cents. That's a big win. We're gonna let it say big win. It's okay. $533.40 on that $1.50 bet. Remember to like, follow, subscribe for more videos every day. Have a great day. Love you guys.